What's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, I'm here to let y'all know that I got all my tins in. I'm gonna be running I'm gonna be running 8 MH420 7driver tins. These tins has 3-inch coils on them and has a push terminal, so that's actually a good thing. Look at the magnet on this thing. Each one of these speakers can take 850 watts RMS musical power. So these things are beasts, and I'm gonna have a 3500 on each door. And also, I got rid of my Skars 4 channels. I'm gonna be running a crescendo 4 channels. Well, actually, I'm gonna have 2 4 channels and a 2 channel. So these are the Symphony S4 and the Symphony S2. And I'm gonna get another Symphony S4 probably today. And I'm gonna be having 6 tweeters in each door. So the tins are in. I got these same exact tins in my center console too. So I changed out my FL 520s and replaced it with these bad boys. I mean, these suckers are huge and they're heavy too, real heavy. So these are gonna be replacing my MB 400s that's in my doors now, the 8s, and I'll have all 10s just because I got this 6-horn and it's gonna be loud and it's gonna be very windy, and I need some bigger speakers with more power handling to keep up with my bass. You know, I got to be balanced across the board. So these are definitely gonna do it. I'm gonna have 6 tweeters in each door, and I'm gonna have these same tweeters in my A-pillars, and my A-pillars are getting upgraded as well. So these same tweeters are gonna be in my A-pillars. So I won't have no dome silk tweeters in my pillars anymore. So y'all be expecting a loud mid-bass, mid-range setup that's gonna be extremely loud and clear. And y'all know when it comes to my doors, my stuff is very clear. And I got all my FIs too. These are gonna be changed out with holographic logos, which I told you all that in the last video. So everything is coming together. Y'all got any questions? Y'all hit me up.